And welcome back to Ross Taylor Woodworks. I've got a chair here with missing rungs on the bottom, and I'm figuring out how to make these rungs. The legs are splayed out this way, and the rung is angled this way. So it's going to be a compound angle. So I was doing some figuring, and what I did was I took the straight edge and put it this way, right here, on the bottoms of the rungs. And took a bevel gauge and measured this angle, and that turns out to be 10 degrees. And then also measured this angle, took the gauge and did it like that. Okay, just held the protractor there and measured the angle and came up with 3 degrees in this direction. And went ahead and made a test piece. And came out perfect. So all I have to do is make the actual rungs out of oak. Okay, I got my piece of oak cut, and I cut one end. It's 10 degrees in this direction and 3 degrees in this direction. Now, it's very hard to tell, but it's going in this direction. Now what I'm going to do is measure the length. I've already determined that. I'm measuring across. Okay, the back rung is 17 and 5/16, and the front rung is going to be 17 and 13/16. So I'm just going to measure that length. And then we want to indicate the angle, and then this is going to be the 10 degree. And this angle is going to be the 3 degrees. Okay, I've got the saw set up. I've got the bed this way, 10 degrees. And the saw tilted this way, 3 degrees. Now we want to set this up so we've got that in the right orientation. Okay, we've got 10 degrees in this direction and 3 in this direction. So just going to make sure that's in the right orientation. Okay, and I'll check the fit. And perfect. And the next step is to drill a dowel hole. And I'm going to hold the rung right where it's going to be and then mark the center of the hole. Okay, now let's put that in the vise and square it across. And then just by eye mark the middle. And then square a line down the face. Now I want to drill a hole following this line. And I'll drill a hole about 1/2 inch deep. And cut a 7/16 inch dowel. It'll go right in there like that. And I'll take it over to the chair and fit it in. Okay, I've reamed out the holes on the chair, and then fits right in there. And that just needs to be glued up.